So guys, as usual, what we predicted it to do, what market has done, right? We actually did this prediction about last week, right? We said it that GBP USD will come to tap this level. So we still have this level highlighted, right? This level is still highlighted. We've not touched it. The level is at 1.34744. So market has given us that bullish move to tap that movement. Exactly what we said market is going to do, what market did. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now for a couple of days, GBP USD has been giving us a bullish move. So we had a bullish move right here, right? This is also a bullish move here for open and close bullish for the day. This market open and close bullish for the day. Today, which is for Thursday, we should expect markets also open and close bullish. So guys, if you are not yet in the buy on your GBP USD, you should be looking to going for the buy, because when you go to your forward time frame, this is just a pullback playing out. So once this pullback plays out finish by tapping this 10 period simple moving average, expect it to be as a confluence that will eventually now push it up. See, it's able to take out the side, forming a new higher high. So guys, for today, which is on Thursday, expect GBP USD to give us a bullish move.